Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to Qshell, where we will learn how to create the shell script file using Qshell commands. So prior to that, in our previous sessions, like we have already covered most of the Qshell related commands. So those commands we can utilize in order to create some script file. Now, what is a script file? Just assume you can relate it with a program, because in program also we write some sort of lines which we can execute later, right? So in the same manner, when you want to store some Qshell related command, then you can create one script file, and in that script file we can store the commands, and then later whenever it is needed we can simply run that executable file that will perform the same thing that we are supposed to perform from those commands. Okay, so I think now it is pretty much clear that yes, when we want to store some commands in an executable format, then we will need the creation of script file. Okay, now we will see how to do this. So before that, it is always required to understand the requirement, like what are those scenarios where we can utilize, where we can create the Qshell scripts. Okay, so for that, what I can do, I can simply write here work lnk. This work lnk will open this work with object link screen, and here this is our default directory as we know. And in your case, like if your username is abc, so it will print /home/abc. Below to that, if I do page down, you will find there are some files as well as some script files are there. You can see my script.sh, right? Here it is. Okay, so let me remove this file, because this is the file that we are going to create from our command or using Qshell commands. So let me delete it. So it is removed. Similarly, we have another few files. Let me delete those also. tech.sh, we can delete this one, as well as ts.sh. Okay, so I have removed all the script file from this location, and now we will create the script file using Qshell command. So to create that, what we can do, simply I'll tell you the steps which we are supposed to perform before creating the script file. Okay, so let's see. The first step is to create a script file. To create a script file, we need to let's say, okay, let me copy this from here. I'll show you. So here I'll simply write qsh, then enter. It will open Qshell command enter screen. Here if I do this, okay, let me remove this part. So right now if I try to run this command, what it will do, it will print the same thing like echo hello ibmi a shell script. Okay, let's do some modification here. Why we are using this echo inside echo? Because we are going to create the script file, and in the script file we need the actual commands, or you can say the actual yeah, command is that, right? So actual command that we need to execute the specific task. So that's why just simply write echo, then single quote echo, and here maybe we can change it shell script created by Sharmit. Okay, so this is the script just I changed. It is up to you like how you want to customize it, and then simply hit enter. On pressing enter, you can see now it is just printing this text. This echo is also considered as a text, but our intention is to make the script file using this command. So how to do this? So to do this, what you can do, you can simply press here, you can type here right angular bracket as we always do with the files, in order to redirect the output or append the output. So after angular bracket, you can provide your file name. So let's say I want to create it as tech.sh. Remember, for a script we are supposed to use extension only sh. Extension will add the uh, like sh is used for shell script. Okay, after writing this, you can simply press enter. Okay, so it has completed successfully because there is no error message, and we have got this dollar symbol. That means this file is executed properly. Now let's verify whether it is created or not. So here in this location I'll do refresh, and we will look for the file which is tech.sh. Here it is. Okay, so this is created. Echo shell script created by Sharmit. But now if you try to run this command, let me show you work qsh. Now if let's say if I want to execute that file which is tech.sh, it will not run. Even it is giving the error found searching for command tech.sh, no such path or directory. But we have created and we have also confirmed using work lnk that yes, it has been created successfully. But right now it is giving us an error. Okay, so that means this is not executable right yet. So to create it executable file, we are supposed to run one more command which is like this: chmod, then plus x, and then your file name which is tech.sh or your shell script file. Then simply hit enter. Okay, chmod. It's ch mode. Yeah. So this is the command. If you run this command chmod plus x and tech.ts, so what we are doing with this command, we are making the tech.sh, which is a shell script file, executable. So mainly chmod command is used to provide the permission for executable files. So with plus x we are providing the permission to make it executable. Okay, so that's the reason we are using chmod command. Now here if you see that we have provided the required permission and also the script is ready, so it's time to execute this file now. So will it work? If I try now, let's see. If I run this like this, tech.sh and enter, so you can see this time it is printing the text which is present in our Qshell command script, shell script. Okay, shell script created by Sharmit. Now one more point. Here you can see it is not printing the extra echo. Why? Because this time that echo is used and it is not considered as a text. But previously when we were used to print the message, then in that case it was printing that echo as well, right? But this time it is not working. It is not printing the echo because this time we are not using it for the printing. We are using it as a command. So whatever command you have written inside your shell script will be considered as a command, and it will provide you the required output that we are supposed to fetch from that particular command. So I think now steps are clear. Like first step is to create the file. So to create the file you can use any command, like echo could be there, date, or any command which you want to use as your what we can say as your primary command. Then you can store it into your shell script. After storing it into your shell script, you can simply write the, like once your shell script is created, then you can confirm it with work lnk, and if it is there then we are good to make it executable. So to make it executable we are supposed to use chmod command with plus x permission, so that will make the file executable, and post that you can simply execute your file with just the file name. Here if you look at the third line which is run the script, here you can see dot slash is also used. So it is up to you if you would like to go with this or not. This is a standard format to fetch the file from current directory, but if you are not providing anything, then it is also taking as a current directory. Okay, so this is how we can simply create the script file and execute it. So steps are clear. First, create a script file. Second, make the script file executable, and third is run the script. So now you have idea, like there are many Qshell commands we have discussed in the previous sessions, right? So all those commands can be used inside a script file, and then you can make your task easy. We will also see like how we can run this using cl program and everything, but in this session we are just talking about the basics. Once basic is clear, like we know the steps, like how to create script file, how to make it executable, and how to run it, then Step by step we will proceed and we will learn all and every each and every steps required for Qshell script related file. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.